Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove apps from your Zoom marketplace. Well, from your Zoom workplace, that's what I meant, sorry. So to remove apps from your Zoom workplace, you're going to go to the website. Then you're going to go to the Zoom app marketplace. Go to manage here. Go to edit apps and select the app that you want to remove. Then you're going to select the remove button. You can also select the reason for removing. Then I'm just going to select the remove button. You can also add it again later, but I just remove it. But that is pretty much how you can remove apps on Zoom. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!